Okay, so you guys, have you described what your dream is? I mean, craziest dream. Dream big. That will lead you to the place where you want to be. Okay, let me do a little bit of wrap up for today because they don't have the long-term crazy dream. So, in order to continue studying English, it's really crucial for you guys to have the crazy motivation, okay? And instead of saying like, I want to be, just a singer, or you could say, in a concrete and impossible way, just think about something impossible. And to become something impossible, I want to be a second Edith Piaf. That's impossible, but still, it will give you back to the motivation. And the crazier your dream is, the easier you can maintain your motivation. And so, instead of saying, I want to be a martial artist, you could say, I want to be a human weapon. And the next lesson is going to be a fun lesson, all right? That's going to be a heavy metal concert titled, I Want to Be. Good? You're all good? Are you sure? All right, good. So the homework is going to be, number 1, make 3 affirmative sentences. Number 2, make 3 interrogative sentences. And number 3, respond to number 2, 3 interrogative sentences that you will make by using both yes and no. Welcome to Crazy Dream Concert! All right. Let's go.
I'll give you an example. I wanna be an astronaut. Point at me and say, he wants to be an astronaut. Tell me what you wanna be. Tell me what you wanna be. Tell me what you really wanna be.
I wanna be a human weapon.
Yeah, he wants to be a human weapon. Tell me what you wanna be. Tell me what you wanna be. Tell me what you wanna be.
Elijah, right? Okay. Elijah, yesterday you screamed out that you wanted to become a human weapon?
Yes.
You're a martial artist too. So what do you do to become on an everyday basis? Okay? Everyday basis or every week? What do you do to become a human weapon in the future?
Push up.
What?
I push up.
Oh, yes. I push up. How many times?
500 times.
Okay, I push up. What'd you say? 100 times?
500 times.
No kidding. 500 times? Okay, 500 times. Every day?
Only Saturday.
Oh, every Saturday. Okay. So, today we'll be learning the dynamic verb that you've been waiting for. Okay, now, let's take a look at this, okay? Even though it is useful, there are several things you gotta be very careful about. The first thing is subject-verb agreement. What you want to learn at first is auxiliary verb. I want you to take a look at this, okay? Okay. Do you do your homework every day? Hey, Adam, do you do your homework every day?
Not every day.
Not every day. You don't have to do it every day. So the question is, okay, how is it that you have 2 do's? Do you do your homework? What is that? All right. That's a mystery, right? Okay, I'm going to explain it to you later. All right. Straight up. The first do is the auxiliary verb, and the second do is the original form of the verb to do. That's the formation of interrogative sentence is very different comparing verb to be and the dynamic verbs. These auxiliary verbs can be classified into two categories. But don't worry about it. It's not that complex, okay? One type of verb conjugates. And the other types of auxiliary verbs do not conjugate. So what you're gonna know is do and does. That's it. Non-conjugative verbs such as can, must, should, will. And if you want to talk about the future, you will use the word will. I will do my homework. Here's how to form interrogative sentences, okay? Now, this is pretty much different from how to form interrogative sentence concerning verb to be. Okay, what you want to do, you have learned the auxiliary verb here, do, in this case, he. Okay, now, as I have already mentioned, it conjugates do and does. Which one is it? He do or he does? Which one is it?
Does.
Yes, he does. Okay, so you need the ES here. He does. Okay, but there's something wrong here. He does plays baseball. Something wrong, right?
Right.
Yeah, right. You gotta delete this. He does play baseball because you already have the S here. All right, so he does play baseball. He does. Okay, he does play, and this is gotta be deleted. He does play baseball. Period. Good. Now, it is time for us to form an interrogative sentence, okay? He does. Just like the way you flipped around the order of he is to is he, it's the same thing. Does, okay? He. Easy as that. Does he play baseball? And question mark. That's it. Yes, he does play baseball. Period. Okay? You don't have to say this because we already know what we're talking about. So, yeah, you say, yes, he does. Yes, I do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. Yes, we do, and so forth, okay? If it's no, he does what?
Not.
He does no?
Not.
He does not. All right? He does not play baseball. So, do you have to say play baseball again?
No. Delete.
No. You can't delete this. So I'm going to ask you a question. Hey, Brian, does he play baseball? Brian might say, oh, no, he doesn't. Or, oh, yes, he does. Okay, Elijah. Do you push up 500 times every Saturday?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. That's correct. Okay, I think I have distributed the homework, right? All right, good. So, the homework is going to be very easy. It's just one page, okay? Finish the assignment paper, right? And next lesson, what we're gonna do, we are going to do a little quiz to make sure if you have understood the lessons so far. And the second thing we're gonna do is to do the Q&A. Probably you might have some questions so far that you have not asked me yet. I will be putting a question box here, so you just put the question paper into the box, and I will answer the questions one by one. All right, so much for today, and I really enjoyed the lesson. Did you? All right, so see you guys. Bye.